The next phase for the weaving page is to do the Mod Podge. I'm doing the Mod Podge on the pieces that we're going to cut completely apart. And I'm doing a combination of book pages and sewing pattern paper. It acts a lot like tissue paper, so this will be similar to what we've done before. So just to review for Mod Podge, it's going to be in these containers. I put a little tiny bit of water in it. It'll make it a little bit easier to spread for what we're doing today. I have my book pages. I ripped them up. I like the rough edges, so pieces about like that. And then I also have the tissue paper pieces. You can rip those up too. And do a combination of overlapping. Every little bit of this does not need to be book page, but as long as it's covered with something. So I'm doing my thin layer of Mod Podge, and I'll put the book page down. You do want to go clear out to the edge, so I might even push this out here. When it's dry, we will trim it off, and I'm going to show you that in a minute because the rest of my page is dry from earlier today. So make sure the thin layer goes over a little bit of outside what you're going to glue down, and then a thin layer over top as well. Okay, and you would continue to cover the entire thing. When you're done, be sure to wash the brush out really well, even add a little bit of soap so they don't ruin the brush. So this side of my paper is dry, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Once it is dry, just take your scissors and you'll trim the edge of it. That way, when you do Mod Podge this way, it ensures your whole entire paper is covered. Okay, and you'll do that to the entire sheet.